Mill Creek Service Road, winter 2025. Like, there was 100 trees here, probably like 50 left along the bank as a riparian buffer to hold in erosion. There's a trail around there. You go down there. Or there's also, this was all Japanese knotweed. That's also Japanese knotweed over there. And there's another 300 trees, something like that over here. Whole bunch of biodiversity. I'm gonna try to just like go around it real quick. There's a couple groves back there, a whole bunch of native shrubs along here. Been pulling up all this Oriental bittersweet. This is deer rub that they do. That's what this tubex is deer protection. First, it protects it from the deer eating the leaves, and then when the trees get about that big, the deer will come up and rub on the antlers like what you just saw. And every year they get fuzz on their antlers and it itches them like a scab on a person or something. So they rub on it. This is a trail. And this is all probably like bone set or something like that. Like this was sticker bush that was about like 12 foot high. And then this, the whole goal with all this, that's the American sycamore. There's a whole bunch of that, tulip poplar, maple, swamp white oaks, all that stuff. I don't know, probably like 20 different species. But this will be canopy. It'll be, once the trees get large enough, then it prevents the sun from hitting the ground and it changes what can grow there. But when doing these projects, you want to clear everything, try to get some native growth, some meadow grass and some wildflowers and stuff like that, and then that'll hold back the invasives and try to keep the trees up. This fuzz is climbing poison ivy, so don't touch that. But it's native, so it's good for food for birds. This is the third year for this. A whole bunch of speckled alder along here. It looks like river birch, has dots on it, and it's Native Americans used to use it for like a Tylenol.